Hi everyone, I'm going to be discussing Ripple today. Now, I'm going to be doing this for the Bitcoin briefing, and my name is Vimal. So, looking at Ripple, what's going on here? Well, the purple trend line has been respected so far. So, uh, we've discussed this purple trend line and the fact that the market has respected it on previous occasions, and it's been respected again. So, anyone who decided to perhaps take a little profit at the trend line when it was tested, good on you, fantastic. Now we have a situation where the whole cryptocurrency complex is seeing some selling pressure, and this is something we've been anticipating. Ripple has not fallen off a cliff, it hasn't broken October lows like Bitcoin has. However, it is still down from where it was in the early part of November, the 4th of November. Now, my thinking process is simple. If you get a break below 0.37, which is the 12th October low, I would think that you would definitely see more selling pressure coming in. That would be confirmed if we were to convincingly break with some good volume and continue to test the lower levels. So that's my thinking process. I'm going to draw a trend line here to make things easy on where potentially you could see some support coming in should we see a breakdown in this cryptocurrency as well. The support level that I'm looking at would be close to about 70.717.175. Now that's obviously a long way away. So again, let's not jump to any conclusions. We don't even know if it's going to break down. But that's the worst case scenario. The best case scenario is negate the selling pressure, negate what's happening in the cryptocurrency space, and just break out above this curse of a trend line that's been holding the buyers back from February of 2018. Now, one thing I want to mention to you is look at this trend line as well. It's a smallish trend line from September, and it's been well respected. Also, there's a nice channel that you can draw. I think from here, where if you draw it down, you come all the way to that pivot, and up there. So it's a nice parallel channel of sorts, and you've broken down. As soon as you broke down, boom, quick decline. My thinking is that unless we get above 0.52, or I would say, if you want to be more exact, 0.53, I don't think this is going to go anywhere anytime soon. Looking at purely momentum, and when I say momentum, I'm talking about just the RSI, just keeping it very simple here. The RSI actually is now on the verge. It actually has made a lower low if you look at it from the uptrend that we saw in early October. And I would think that should we decline further and you see the RSI close below this level here, which is the green, where the green trend line is, I would think that you would see some selling pressure. Now, please keep in mind that it's still trading sideways, so there's no cause for concern yet. The whole point here is to anticipate what's going to happen. And if you would ask me, I believe the anticipation is that Ripple will trade down to about 0.36, 0.35. That's my expectation to test support levels here. So I would not be a buyer right now. If Ripple can close about 0.535, then I would consider looking at buying. Until then, I would not. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.